Lema meroji NACADA otimo apedha magere kar dak ma Kawangware kendo ndhiyo pipa 50 mag kuong pipa 480 mag kong'o moselosi kod bege 300 mag molasses. Obila bende omako lita 1,000 mag kuong ma ochwaki kod moko kuom bege mag kong'o mochik oko ma gichiko gi puko oko. Mine adek ma osebedo ka tayo chenro mag kar loso kuong'no ondhi kendo gie sani gintiere e tesend obila. Jatatije mar NACADA Laktar Anthony Emirikwa opuoyo apedhano mowacho ni duong' kendo okonyo kendo chenro mag jogo ma uso yedhe kod kuong' maricho.
At Congo area within Kawangware, that is Nairobi county, following some information or some intelligence, we raided a premises believed to be a distillery of an illicit brew, Changa. So tactically we entered the house or the premises and found a brewing ongoing, whereby we managed to see of 50 distillery points ongoing, and upon further moving around that premises, we noted that there was a very, very huge consignment of Kangara of around 480,000 drums, 480 drums, each of 200 liters. We also had molasses packed in the 50 kgs, around 350 sacks. We had also other accessories used for the manufacture. That's brown sugar from Malawi. We also had exhibits over 1,000 liters of changa, which were already manufactured, ready for transport. So at that area, we also managed to arrest 3 ladies, believed to be the engineers or the persons believed to be the ones conducting the exercise. This production is meant, or it is targeting this young generation, which means we have to work all round the clock to save our generation.